Symphonic Hanover and Calchips Brute are on the bridge. Ready for a start. And they're off in the Colonial. A good start for Russell Hill from the center of the track. Explosive Matter shows speed with Copycat, his entry made up the near side. And Russell Hill will hook up with Explosive Matter early, and these two lead them into the first turn with Russell Hill the head just in front. Explosive Matter is a pressing second, and Copycat has eased off in third, 2 lengths back of the front pair. It's another 4 to the Chancellor and Keystone Activator. 2.5 more then to Symphonic Hanover, who's off stride, overtaken by Calchips Brute. And Photo for Win made a break in stride in the first turn and is the distant trailer through a 27-second first quarter. Russell Hill and Explosive Matter continue to duel on the front, and now Explosive Matter, the 1-5 favorite, has cleared Russell Hill as they move into the bridge turn. Copycat is third, and just 3.5 lengths off his entry made Explosive Matter. The Chancellor is next and moving to the outside, then Keystone Activator. It's 2 more to Calchips Brute, 8.5 lengths from the front. And we come back quite a ways, at least 15 to Symphonic Hanover, and 7 away last is Photo for Win. 55 and 4 the halftime, just over 3/8 to go in the 39th Colonial. And Explosive Matter maintains a length and 3/4 advantage. The Chancellor is up into second at the flank of Russell Hill. It's 2 lengths more to Copycat. Keystone Activator's in the clear, but he's got 5.5 to make up. Calchips Brute is 7 lengths off Explosive Matter, who reaches 3/4 in 1:24 even. 3/16 to go. Explosive Matter leads by just a length and a quarter. The Chancellor is closing in on the outside. Russell Hill begins to gap the pocket, and now he's on a break. So Keystone Activator moves up into the third spot, but has 5 lengths to make up. And Explosive Matter is holding the Chancellor at bay with 150 yards to go. Explosive Matter coming down to the line. He wins the Colonial easily. Explosive Matter 2 lengths the best from the Chancellor in second. Then Calchips Brute with Keystone Activator, followed in by Copycat. Then Russell Hill, Photo for Win, and Symphonic Hanover was last of all, 153 flat, a track and world record for Explosive Matter in the Colonial. Number 1A, Explosive Matter was first. Number 3, the Chancellor's second. Photograph for third. 1-3 Photo in the 11th. The photograph reveals number 7, Calchips Brute was third. Number 4, Keystone Activator finished